Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Oh wow. So this is like a, trying to figure out how to call it because of the back seats. So is it like a wall blow through?
Well, basically how I did it was I built the box and we threw it in here and just built off of it basically.
Okay.
We built off of it.
Nice.
I cut a bunch of panels out and just built off, like there's 2x4s behind it and stuff like that.
Sweet.
So yeah, it's just a box we threw in here and just built off of.
Oh, that's good.
But it's two ZV5 18s on two 10 MV 8Ks, all CES 80 amp hour lithium. There's a 370 under the hood, CES, and I think that's about it.
What's the tuning and specs of the box?
The tuning, I went ahead and went with what Sundown recommended. I think it was like 32-ish, something like that.
Okay.
Might be a little higher than they recommended.
Yes, sir.
And then all the tweets are out right now. The amps get repaired.
Okay.
But the mids are 6.5 Arnold series.
All right.
So yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Yeah, let's see. I think I'll get you a little bit of everything. Let's see. I think she got my phone. Hey babe, you got my phone? You got my phone? Thank you. Yeah, man, I watch your videos.
Oh yeah? I do a good bit, yeah.
Yeah, man, that's awesome.
I see a lot of different types of builds, and yours is a little unique because you got the space for your seats,
Yeah.
but you also have the space in the back to utilize for your build. So I'm kind of curious after this to see how it looks back there.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
so-
It's like all the the doors. I locked them, and then I pretty much like cut all the wires to them. That
Yes,
way
sir.
nobody opens them.
Yep.
But yeah, it's just all found in back there pretty good.
All right.
Let's see.
I'm ready when you are.
I'm gonna crack your window a little bit.
Sure, man. Whatever's loudest.
And then these, I just got the windshield replaced, so these are just
That's fine.
Savages up though. If I catch enough motherfucking talking shit about GT, I'm gonna beat their ass. I'm not playing no more. No, I'm in the little place now.
Thank you for the demo, man. You were hammering, man.
Dude, I always watch the clip. clip like
Yeah.
like no clipping at all. I think like because I had an MD12K.
Yeah.
When I swapped it with the 8Ks, it's great, man, because you would stretch it out like that with just zero clip.
Yeah. So clean, and it's just putting a lot of power in the sub. So,
Power,
yeah.
so
Thank you very much, man. Nice to meet you.
No problem. Hey, nice to meet you.
You too. Thank you. Woo.
Smoky.
Yeah. But nothing blue, so we're good. Take a picture real quick.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Awesome. You have a good day, man.
All right, brother.
Thanks for watching.
Pulling around shit, shooting at the police and shit. Nigga been on probation since fucking, I don't know when. Motherfuckers stop fucking playing them like that. Them niggas savages out there. If I catch a nigga,
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.